Good day, Pinoy Clixers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. For this video, we're going to have our regular dose of Wolverine unboxing. Let's go! Okay, so we have here the Wolverine saga from Minimates. Okay, so you can see that the box is a bit rough, and that's totally fine. Okay, I do have a lot of Wolverine Legos, but Minimates is like Lego, okay, or Lego minifigures, but we'll see the difference a little later. So you can see in the front, it's made for ages 8 and up, which we qualify. 4-pack preview exclusive San Diego Comic-Con limited to 3,000 copies. And we see 4 versions of Wolverine: the Spacesuit Wolverine, Logan-san, Ultimate Wolverine, and Symbiote Wolverine. Okay, so this is priced at 1,650 pesos, but I think when I bought it, I bought it for around 900 pesos. Okay, so Minimates. Okay. We can see on the side the 4 Wolverines that we have to look at. Diamond Select Toys. The same on the other side. What's this? Art Asylum. Okay, .com. You can visit that website. I don't know if it's still active. This is 2013, 10 years ago. And then at the back, you see the preview of the Minimates. Okay, so why is there 5 here? Anyway, we also have a brief description of Wolverine, the man called Logan, who has walked many paths, not all of them the path of a hero. In the Ultimate Universe, he was an assassin for the Brotherhood before joining the X-Men. While living in Japan, he suppressed his savage instincts in the name of love until they overwhelmed him. And when he bonded with a symbiote from space, his most primal urges were unleashed. Yet he has proven himself time and again, traveling to the moon and beyond to protect his friends, his home, and the earth. Okay, so that is Wolverine's story in a nutshell. Okay, let's unbox this. We're not gonna be keeping the box. Okay, so we're not gonna worry of the condition. Okay, but we can be gentle, at least for now. Oops, how do we open this? There you go. Already open from the side. Okay, so you can see the plastic is yellowish because again, it's more than 10 years old. Okay, there's something at the back, which is a poster, I would assume, of Minimates. Ooh, that's good. It looks good. I'll keep this as well. We see a lot of X-Men and Marvel characters here. Then we see some Ghost Rider Onslaught. Looks nice. Okay, and then at the back we see some more Sauron. Okay, from the Savage Land Girl, Nick Fury, Nova, and of course Spider-Man. And we have a comic strip. Okay, let's read it a little. The Amazing Spider-Man Up in the Air. You know I love New York, but some days I need to get away from it all. The honking taxis, the crowd of people, the unpleasant smells. I'm just going to swing around up here by myself for a while. Yes, the peaceful New York City skyways are all out of the way, Noob Avenger. Hey, that's New Avenger, and we use your horn. And use your horn next time, you Iron Menace. Pay heed, Spider Mortal. Thy betighted form obeys the process of the mighty Thor. I have no idea what you just said. Verily. And that's Stilt Man. Hey, careful, I just waxed this suit. Dang it, Stilt Man. Keep it under 30 stories or I'm taking you in. Wait, aren't you a lady now? You're a lady. And finally, peaceful New York City skyways. I'd be safer swinging through the Holland tunnel. I know, right? Say what are we hanging from anyway? Get more at minimates.com. Okay, so just another episode of Spidey's colorful life. I like this Cyclops now. Anyway, going back to Logan-san. Okay, so let's see. This is Logan-san. Okay, so you can see him in a Japanese outfit. Okay, so this is typically Minimates. So the hair is removable. Is the head removable? Okay, I don't want to force it. So anyway, and compared to Lego, these Minimates have more expression in their faces. Okay, because it's not just black for their eyes and all that. Okay, so you can see Logan-san here. Okay, I have a feeling this is removable. Okay. Okay, let's go. We have some accessories here. How do you open it? See, it's removable. Oh, it has a change of. So that's why there's red. You can just change it to red. One of the Wolverines, I guess. Okay, I didn't know that. So let's take out. We have the cowl of Wolverine here, an extra cowl, and a gun. Okay, so we have Wolverine in space. Okay, this is Wolverine in space. Okay, I like the claws. Okay, so compared to Legos, there are more articulation. You can, bend the knee and the arm a little. Okay, so you can also change cowl if you want. Does it work? Yeah, it does. And you can, oh sorry, what did I do? Okay, so this was the leg. So you can switch that. You can also switch body and legs. Okay, so it's like a DIY Wolverine. Okay, so that's interesting. Okay, then we see the spacesuit here, the headgear. Okay, this set comes with a lot of accessories. Okay, it doesn't fit. How do you do this? With the helmet first, and then and then afterwards. Ooh. Okay, spacesuit Wolverine, and then we have the Ultimate Wolverine. Okay, the assassin. Okay. And then finally the Venom symbiote Wolverine. And this one is my favorite from all the four. Okay, can you see that expression? Venom. And then Wolverine. Okay. We see some more accessories here. Okay, a sword. That's definitely for Logan-san. And then some arms and hair. Okay, interesting. So if you want to remove the arm, this means the arm is removable. Okay, let's see. Okay, I'm too scared to remove it, so I'm just gonna leave it as is. Okay, I'm just a bit sad that there's no alternate hands. Okay, because it's gonna look weird. For example, if Wolverine is holding a katana and with claws, so it doesn't make sense. So there should have been like extra clawless hands. Okay, and this one is a gun. So this goes to the spacesuit Wolverine, but it seems a little too big for him. So this might just be an accessory. Where does it go here? Nope. Okay, what's this? It's a boot. The boot of Venom Wolverine. Okay, so I'm gonna play with this more off video, but I like it. I might just collect some more X-Men related Minimates. At least the core X-Men. Okay, so what do you guys think? Share your thoughts in the comments. And until the next, hopefully, new series Minimates unboxing. Bye-bye!